Hello, hi, how are you?
I'm fine, thank you. What about you?
I'm also great. What career you are pursuing?
Yes. I completed my degree through master in social work. Before I completed my graduation in law field, LLB, MSW. I have two degrees.
Okay, how is your experience?
Yes, please ask.
Yeah. What inspired you to choose law as a career?
In my generation, there is a no one guided me. Okay,
Yeah.
but when I was thinking that time, then I feel if I have to degree, I want a degree, then why not law? Because according to me, every citizen know their laws
Yeah.
first. So that's why I choose this.
Actually, the lawyer is also not know all the laws of India. It's the truth.
You know, basic,
Yeah,
basic fundamental rights, basic laws.
Yeah, you are right. How was your
In current,
yeah?
yes, carry.
How was your first year in LLB? Easy or tough than expected?
Not easy, not tough. Like I am goalless, aimless kind of student.
Like, what is the environment of your college?
Yeah, those who belong to a good family, their environment is like their parents are well educated. They belong to English medium. They talk, speak like very confident. Their vibes is very confident. And I'm belong to not that kind of family, opposite family. So I'm feel like a timid kind of person, shy kind of person, very less confident.
Yeah. How do you handle the pressure of reading and remembering so many case laws?
Actually, see, to be honest, I'm just a license holder advocate. I'm not doing practice.
Okay, okay.
Okay, but there is no pressure if the person is passionate about their job. Like my husband, I always see him. So for he's passionate. That's why his work is give him energy. Like what we say, energy drink. Okay.
Yeah.
And as a advocate, there is no need or necessary to they know every section, every article. Okay, there is no compulsion. Which kind of case they have only appear before the case when the case stand into the court. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah. So that time they learn, and if they're running same kind of cases, like my husband is very good in civil matters.
Okay.
So he handle property cases. So many times the case is similar, right?
Okay.
Then automatically when ground level you practice, then automatically is captured by brain
Yeah, because
because of practical work.
because of practical knowledge also.
Yes.
Which is your favorite subject?
My favorite is a criminal law.
Okay.
Criminal and penology. And apart from my law, my favorite is philosophy and psychology also.
I also love psychology.
Yes.
Do you like reading case laws?
Okay. Yeah, I love. I am mad for the Arushi Talwar case.
Okay.
I'm very curious, so I study about her case, and when I analyze now, then I feel very bad because as a common person, I am judging. Like everybody think you heard about her case.
On
Arushi Talwar, the 13-year girl or 16-year girl killed by their own parents. Means this is an allegation. The parents are doctors. Family belong to. Yeah. It is a famous case in my generation. Okay, can I suggest you one thing? If you read now the person who is a very mysterious and very famous, his name is Wolf Mizzi.
Wolf Massive.
Yeah, Wolf. Do you know na Wolf?
Yeah.
WOLF Wolf.
Yeah.
His surname is a Messing.
Okay. Wolf Massive.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah. You search and you get a very interest, and he is a very mysterious person in Hitler period. Okay.
Okay.
He without ties very immediately, and he made Mr. Gandhi also, Sigmund Freud also surprised which kind of art he have now.
Yeah.
His autobiography is very interesting.
Okay. I will
Yeah,
go
if
through.
you made any content on him now,
Yeah.
maybe there is more audience.
Well, absolutely gonna make the content to give me a idea. Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, can I ask a last? Yeah. Okay. Which lawyer inspire you the most?
I said domestic violence.
Oh, which lawyer?
Action Act.
Which lawyer? Yeah.
Lawyer.
Yeah, which lawyer?
I don't have I don't have any name.
Okay. But do you have ever been to a real court?
Yes, 2-3 times.
What is your first experience?
See, I always inspired which kind of Bollywood movie.
Yeah.
I saw the situation, scenario. I think same such kind of situation in actual level, but there is a different totally. A simple courtroom and the advocates are not looking very good or honest, like they are running like a machines. They have no any kind of emotions. Well, there are 1 to 3% advocates are doing good job means genuine job. Okay, they don't think about their fees, they think about the relationship, humanity, the bond between the family. But otherwise most of the advocate doing only business.
Okay.
Yeah, 1 to 3 cases I saw in family court. So the toxic environment there,
Yes.
families are suffering just because of little bit issues, the normal issues, but just because of immaturity, lots of ego, they destroy their family.
Yeah.
Yeah, they allegate to each other. They do not mature that level. It is a nonsense thing, and we wasting our time in a court and money also.
Yeah.
Court is only for those people, na? Those have a time and those have a money.
Yes, yes.
You have to fight into the court. Otherwise, for the normal person, there is no justice.
Do you think Indian laws are fair?
What? Could you repeat?
And do you think Indian laws are fair?
See, laws are, every law is good.
Okay.
But the awareness, the procedure, who are their members, like judges, like advocates, they make a mess in it. Okay, they not doing their job with honesty. That's why we not believe in justice nowadays. Because most means corruption is everywhere. Just because of corruption, our laws are failed. Suppose I am a criminal, okay?
Okay.
I don't know which kind of crime, if I am done, then which kind of punishment I will get.
Okay.
Then I commit a crime again and again because I am unaware about punishment. Yeah. Same things happen in our country.
Do you trust the court system fully?
No, nowadays not.
Okay. Is law the best career today?
Yes, absolutely. I think every person have to know about laws, or they have to be an advocate, no matter they earn money or not. If the person is very good with themselves, is hardworking, consistent, then there is a future. Okay.
Okay.
In every profession, not only in law field, in every, if the person is consistent, no matter he intelligence or not, if the person is average but consistent, hardworking on their job, then the future is bright for him or her.
True. Can common people understand law easily?
Yes. It's depend the person who tells them the information about. Very easy way we can explain the law also. There are so many books in Hindi also, in simple language also, on YouTube also.
Yeah.
Mr. MJ sir.
Mr. MJ sir.
Teach the student. Yes, MJ.
Okay, Mr. MJ
The
sir.
channel on YouTube as well, yes, and they publish their book also. Apna Vakil Khud Bano.
Yeah.
In a very simple language, he wrote everything, basic law, about basic law.
Okay. How is the competition in your college?
See, in my college students, all are, most of them means 70% student only admitted there for scholarship.
Okay. 70%.
Yeah, 70% they are belongs to lower or poor families. Okay. Even they don't have 2 times food, a proper good nutrition food. Okay. So just because in that time, my period now, we got a 10,000 rupees yearly
Okay.
scholarship.
How much time year ago?
For lost. 2010 before.
Okay.
Okay, yes. So, and very few means 10% student are good. They are very serious because they have that kind of background, family background. Like you know very well, those who business kind of profession, they pass to past generation. Like my daughter also become in future maybe advocate. His daughter also like that. Okay, yeah. But in my time, not that kind of situation. So yeah, competition will be those who are very focused and they have any kind of aim. They are good in their with marks. But teacher also good.
Okay.
Yes, teacher not good.
Yes, I did 2 times. Teacher not good.
Yeah.
Yeah. Do you like group study or solo study?
No, I always prefer to be a alone person. I know myself, my company, because I'm not believe in group study. But group study is good. But that time it is a good. Our thoughts are matched with the other friends.
Do you think AI can replace lawyers? It's an interesting question,
No.
Radhi.
No, they can't replace because they just make their work easy.
Yeah.
Because like a drafting to make application, it is a time-consuming process. But just because of AI, it is very easy. We save our time. So AI is very beneficial for lawyers or everyone, but not the replacing as an advocate.
Thank you so much. It's a pleasure meeting and talking to you.
Okay, thank you. It was pleasure to meet you.
Yeah.
Bye. Take care.
Bye.